Hi there, welcome to the middle of April. Isn't that crazy? We are halfway through April and we are just wrapping up our last few standards for this cycle. If you'd like to pause this video and take a look at those standards and know what we're doing in class this coming week, feel free to. All right, for the month of April, the rest of the month of April, we are reviewing for that stride assessment. We will take that stride assessment in class. And then this was just made apparent to us recently, so I apologize for not giving this a heads up earlier, but we will not have live classes on the 22nd and the 23rd. Those are going to be teacher work days, so you will just have OLS assignments to complete, and there will be no live classes for those 2 days. We'll come back on Monday and we will have regularly scheduled classes. All right, if you're having any issues with your computer, with Neuro, with just any tech support that you might need, the best place to go is to check out this page. Many of you already have this web address, but just in case there are some of you who do not and are getting stuck with some tech issues, you even have some materials that you're having some issues with, this is a great place to check first and then reach out to us if you're still not sure what to do. This is a great first step, first thing to do. You can request support online. Someone will reach out to you. Someone will help you one-on-one who knows tech support a lot better than we teachers know tech support. And then if you have issues with computer, account resources, so if you lose your login information, something like that, support topics, there's also great videos here. If you click up on this video spot, that will walk you through OLS, that will walk you through a lot of just different new systems and give you those video supports that you might need. So this is a great place to go. Your first stop, if you run into any tech issues, tech support related issues, this is your first place to go. And then if you're still having a problem after going to this resource, reach out to your homeroom teacher, but this is always the first thing to do. All right, as we are wrapping up the school year, I just thought it would be good to address, is your student ready for third grade? Isn't that insane that your student is going to be a third grader in just a few months? We want to make sure that they are ready for third grade. The steps to complete that and make sure that they're ready for that are on your screen as shown. Catching up on those overdue assignments is a big one. There's still time to catch up on those overdue assignments and just make sure that everything is good in OLS. Make sure you've done everything you're supposed to be doing. Re-registration is the other component that needs to be completed. For your student to be ready for third grade, you need to let us know, are they returning to CVA next year or are they not? And then completing that stride assessment and NWEA testing. Stride assessment, like I said in the calendar, is coming up, and then NWEA testing, end of the year testing, will be in May. And then celebrate the accomplishment of completing second grade. Congratulate your student and let them know that you're proud of them, because doing online learning for over a year is a big accomplishment. This is different. This is new. This is challenging for a lot of us. So make sure you take the time to celebrate with your student and let them know that you're proud of them. Let them know that they accomplished something, that this is a big deal, and that, that you're super proud of them and that we are super proud of them. The other component that I wanted to touch on was GoFormative. We've been working really, really hard to get the students prepared for this, to make sure that they know how to use this great resource. Starting this week, these assignments will be on the students' plans in OLS as a required assignment. So just like you would have Lit and Comp, handwriting, all of those different assignments, you're going to also have a GoFormative assignment on there as well. They will enter as a guest and will not need to log in. We found a great workaround for this where they don't actually need to log in. They can just enter as a guest, and there will be a code and a link in their assignment that will get them into that GoFormative assignment. We're going to be using this as an exit ticket. So instead of taking time at the end of class to do an exit ticket, your student will be completing their exit ticket as part of their assignments on OLS. It should not take them a long time. It should be a quick, just little check-in on, hey, how did they do on the lesson today? Are they getting what we're covering? And it should not take them a long time. It should be a quick little just check-in to see how they're progressing. And then I just wanted to remind you that you are making a huge difference every day, that you are working with your student every day, that you are encouraging them and that you're supporting them, and just everything that you do behind the scenes, we do acknowledge, and we're so thankful for each and every one of you. The role that you've played as a learning coach is huge with our program. You are essentially the number one teacher, and we're the number two teacher. And it's not easy being a teacher, but we're just so thankful for all of you, the work that you've put in this year. And we just want to make sure that we finish the year strong. If you have any questions about anything that I just went over, I know it was a little quick, but if you have any questions, please reach out to your homeroom teacher, and we are happy to talk with you. We have those office hours available if you would like to reach out to us. You can find those on your Learning Coach OLS Class Connect schedule, and you'll see those office hours every week. Thank you so much.